Hello everyone, welcome to this next part of inserting values in table. So in the previous two videos we have seen different methods of insertion. The number one was when you want to insert values in all three columns. So this was the method insert into student values, roll number, name and city. But if you don't want to insert in all the columns, there were two methods. Number one was insert into table name, then give the name of the columns and then give the values. Okay, like roll number and city, values and this. Or what you can do, if you don't want to write the column names, you can simply type insert into student values and which the value which you don't have, just write null without quotes. Okay. Now there is a third method also in Oracle, substitution method, in which ampersand operator is used. This method is basically useful in case of large amount of values. So let us see the example. Let me log in with same user MCA 2020. MCA 2020. Connected. Select star from tab. There were two tables. Select star from student. I hope you can understand why it has happened because I have not committed last time. Anyways, describe student. There are three columns. Okay. Currently the table is empty and there are three columns. Let me insert. Let me show you all the method one by one. First method was insert into student values. Okay. First roll number one, Aman. Okay, and even Manit, comma Haridwar. This was the first method. Second was insert into student. Give the column name. For example, you have just city. You just give city. Values. Just give the name of the city. Merit. The value of city is inserted. Okay. Next method was the value which you don't have, give null in that case. Like insert into student values. Suppose I have only name. So what I will type null, comma, Kapil, comma, null. Okay. So you can see all three examples are here. Okay. This was the first one. Let me type it here also so that you can check it on. This was the first method. This was the second method. And it is the third method. Now next is substitution. Substitution means suppose you want to enter multiple values. There are large number of values. Then again this method you have to again and again type insert into values. Although you can copy paste, but still there is one more interesting method. Let us see that. What you can type insert. Again I am typing in capital letters, but as I have told you, there is no effect of capital and small other than what you have given in quotes. Okay. Insert into student values. Now, what you will do, the first column is what? Roll number. You will take ampersand and you give any name. You can give roll number also, but you can give suppose RN. Okay. Second was name. It is varchar. So you will give single quotes, ampersand, say suppose let us give naam. Okay, anything. Comma. Third was city. So ampersand CT. Give anything. Okay. Although you can give the take the same name. I'm repeating, but you can also take any other. Now see, there are three columns: ampersand RN, ampersand NAM, ampersand CT. Semicolon enter. Now it is asking the value of roll number. What I will type 9. It is asking value of name. I will type Amit. CT. I will type Meerut. Okay. Now you can see the old value was this, the new value was this. Now this value has gone into the table. Now there is an interesting thing. Now you want to enter another. So what you have to type? You have to type just slash. Enter. It will ask again next value. 6. Mudir. Haridwar. Next value again slash. 44. Shweta. Mumbai. This is how you can do it. Is this thing clear? But remember, slash is not for insertion. Okay. Now, first of all, let me see the values. Select star from student. So you can see this was the first one example that I have shown you here. This one. Second one, I have entered only Merit. So you can see only Merit. In third one, I had entered only Kapil. So Kapil. And last three were added using substitution well. Okay. But now, let me show you one thing. Now suppose if I press slash again, what will happen? See. So actually, what does slash do? Slash repeats the last SQL query. Okay, the last SQL query was select star from student. So whenever I will type slash, see how many times let's slash 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 it will be repeated. Now suppose if I type clear screen and now I press slash again SQL query, because clear screen was a internal command, it was not a query, so it is not repeated. What was the last query? Slash. Okay, so remember slash is not for inserting values. Slash was for repeating the last query. And last query was that insertion method query. Okay, so what was our insertion method? This insert into student values. What I have done, ampersand rn comma ampersand name or name, whatever you can take, comma single quotes ampersand city. One thing more I would like to tell you. Now suppose if I try to copy this statement from here and try to run it here. Now see what will happen. For something something invalid character has come. Okay, why? Actually, you must remember. See, you can see this codes. This code is little bit different. If I increase the size, you can see the difference. This code is this one. Okay, and whereas Oracle accepts this one. So please remember, if any case in your case this type of error is coming, okay, invalid character, the error is not in your query, the error is in quotes. Okay, so please be careful about this while copying and pasting from somewhere. If invalid character is coming, the problem is of these single quotes. You can see. Okay, so that is why when I have typed here, it was not working properly, because here they were stylish quotes, not these single quotes that are required. Okay, so please be careful about this. So this was the substitution method. Kindly practice all of them and make notes. Write all these things in copy, because now you will be getting very soon assignments, and your midterm exams will also have all these things. Okay. Thank you very much. See you in next video.